Hey there! Ever had one of those days where you just can't seem to get out of bed, even though your alarm is screaming at you like a tiny angry robot? Yeah, we've all been there. But what if that feeling doesn't go away after a day or two? What if it sticks around like that one friend who always overstays their welcome? Well, that, my friend, might be depression. But don't worry. We're going to break it down in a way that's as easy to understand as why pizza is awesome. Let's dive in. Okay, so first things first. What exactly is depression? Imagine your brain is like a car. Normally, it's got a full tank of gas, the radio's playing your favorite tunes, and you're cruising down the highway of life. But with depression, it's like your car suddenly runs out of gas. The radio only plays sad ballads and you're stuck in traffic forever. It's not just feeling sad. It's like your brain's battery is permanently low, and no amount of caffeine or cat videos can recharge it. Now let's get a little sciencey, but don't worry, I'll keep it simple. Your brain has these things called neurotransmitters. Think of them as tiny messengers that help your brain cells talk to each other. When you're depressed, these messengers are like, "Nah, I'm good. I'll just stay in bed today." This messes with your mood, energy, and even your appetite. So, it's not just in your head, it's actually in your brain chemistry. Let's talk about how depression shows up in everyday life. Imagine you're at a party. Everyone's laughing, dancing, and having a great time. But you're sitting in the corner, wondering why you even showed up. You're not having fun, and you can't seem to shake the feeling that you don't belong. That's depression. It's like wearing invisible sunglasses that make everything look gray, even when the world is full of color. Or think about your favorite hobby. Maybe you love painting, playing guitar, or even just binge-watching your favorite show. But with depression, even those things can feel like climbing Mount Everest. You might want to do them, but your brain's like, "Nope, not today, buddy." It's like having a remote control for fun, but the batteries are dead. Now let's lighten the mood for a second. You know how people say, "Just cheer up," to someone who's depressed? That's like telling someone with a broken leg to just walk it off. Spoiler alert, it doesn't work. If it were that easy, we'd all be walking around like we're in a Disney musical, singing about how great life is. But hey, at least we can laugh about how ridiculous that advice is, right? So, what can you do if you or someone you know is dealing with depression? First off, be kind. Sometimes just listening can make a world of difference. It's like being a human life raft in a sea of emotions. And if you're the one struggling, know that it's okay to ask for help. Talking to a therapist, doctor, or even a trusted friend can be the first step toward feeling better. It's like calling a mechanic when your car breaks down. You don't have to fix it all by yourself. Here's the good news. Depression is treatable. With the right help, whether it's therapy, medication, lifestyle changes, or a combination of all three, you can start to feel like yourself again. It's like finally finding the right key to unlock that stuck car door. It might take some time, but you'll get there. So, the next time you hear someone talking about depression, you'll know it's more than just feeling sad. It's a complex, challenging condition. But with understanding, support, and a little bit of humor, we can all help each other through it. And hey, if you're feeling down right now, just remember you're not alone, and it's okay to ask for help. Now go grab a slice of pizza, because let's be real, pizza makes everything better. Thanks for watching, and remember, you've got this.